Your AI agent can now finish browser tasks 2.5 times faster, for free. This is ego-lite, and it solves the biggest problem in AI automation. Existing tools force your agent to fight for browser control. You lose access to your tabs, and login friction kills automation. Ego-lite fixes this completely. Ego-lite is fundamentally different from automation frameworks like Browser Use, Server-Cell's Agent Browser. Those are libraries that need to drive a separate browser instance, which creates constant friction. Your logins rarely carry over cleanly, and you're constantly fighting for control of the same tabs. Ego-lite solves this by being the browser itself, designed from the ground up for parallel human and AI use. It creates isolated spaces where your agents work completely separately from your main browsing session. This means you can keep working while your agent handles automation tasks without interrupting your workflow. The architecture difference is crucial. Traditional frameworks operate through a CLI interface where the agent runs commands sequentially. Run a command, wait for output, run another command. This creates a slow, token-expensive loop that struggles with complex workflows. Ego-lite exposes browser capabilities as JavaScript functions that the agent can call directly. This means the agent writes a complete script that executes in a single pass, dramatically reducing both time and token consumption. The harder the automation task, the more significant the performance improvement becomes. Complex workflows finish up to 2.5 times faster, with higher task success rates and far fewer tool calls per task. Getting started requires zero configuration. If you're using Node.js, installation is a single command that adds the Ego browser skill to your agent's toolkit. This doesn't install the full browser yet. That happens automatically on the first run when your agent needs it. The skill becomes available to any AI agent running on your machine, whether that's Claude Code, custom scripts, or other AI tools you're using for automation. You can also download the macOS app directly if you prefer a traditional installation approach. Both methods give you access to the same powerful browser capabilities. The real magic happens on first use. When your agent attempts a browser task, it prompts you to install the ego-lite application. During this initial setup, you'll be asked if you want to migrate your Chrome data. This is the critical step. Saying yes means your agent inherits all your existing logins, cookies, browser extensions, and bookmarks. This eliminates the login friction that typically breaks web automation, as your agent now operates with your actual authenticated sessions. The migration process is seamless and happens locally on your device, ensuring your browsing data stays private and secure. You can also use an agent-driven setup approach. By pasting a specific prompt into your AI agent, it will read the installation documentation and follow all the necessary steps autonomously. This demonstrates how ego-lite is designed to be controlled by AI agents from the very beginning. The setup process itself can be automated. The agent will download the appropriate version for your architecture and guide you through the Chrome data migration decision. This approach is perfect if you want to maintain a completely agent-first workflow where your AI handles even the installation process for you. Once installed, running tasks becomes incredibly simple. In your agent's command interface, you use the /ego browser prefix followed by natural language descriptions of what you want accomplished. The agent recognizes this skill, opens a dedicated space for the task, performs all the necessary browser actions, and returns with the results. Throughout this process, your main browser tabs remain completely untouched and available for your normal work. You can have multiple agents running different tasks simultaneously in their own isolated spaces, all while you continue browsing normally. The performance advantage comes from eliminating the command loop overhead. Traditional CLI-based tools force the agent into a slow cycle of issuing commands, waiting for responses, and interpreting outputs. This approach consumes excessive tokens and time. Ego-lite's JavaScript function approach allows the agent to compose complex multi-step operations into a single executable script. The browser executes this script in one continuous pass, dramatically reducing both completion time and token usage. Complex workflows particularly benefit from this architectural difference, with tasks like web scraping and lead enrichment showing the most dramatic speed improvements. Another critical advantage is the quality of page snapshots. AI agents rely on accurate representations of web pages to understand what actions to take. Ego-lite uses kernel-level customization to produce the highest quality snapshots available. It reliably handles challenging scenarios like deeply nested iframes and complex JavaScript applications where other solutions typically fail. This reliability ensures your agent can accurately interpret and interact with even the most complicated modern web applications. The snapshot quality directly impacts task success rates, making this a crucial feature for professional automation work. The experience accumulation feature is particularly powerful for heavy users. As you use ego-lite more frequently, it learns from successful actions and distills them into reusable tools and workflows. This means similar tasks down the line can run up to 5 times faster, as the agent doesn't need to rediscover the optimal approach each time. This learning happens locally on your device, ensuring your proprietary workflows remain private. For businesses running repetitive automation tasks, this feature alone can dramatically reduce operational costs and improve consistency across multiple automation runs. The performance improvements are substantiated by benchmarks against popular alternatives. Testing against Vercel's agent browser across 4 complex automation tasks showed ego-lite completing workflows up to 2.5 times faster, with significantly reduced token consumption. Tasks involving web scraping, lead enrichment, and multi-step onboarding processes showed the most dramatic improvements. The architecture particularly excels with complex, multi-step operations where traditional CLI overhead accumulates substantially. These benchmarks demonstrate real-world performance gains that translate directly to cost savings and faster automation cycles. Currently macOS only with Windows/Linux support planned, designed for external agents rather than built-in AI. This means you need to bring your own agent, like Claude Code or custom scripts. The browser itself is completely free with no hidden costs or subscription fees. All data stays locally on your device, which is crucial for security-conscious users handling sensitive information. Unique parallel workspace capability, only solution that works with external agents while inheriting your logins. This combination is what sets ego-lite apart from both automation frameworks and built-in AI browsers. You get the flexibility of using your preferred agent with the convenience of your existing authenticated sessions. For teams running multiple automation tasks simultaneously, this parallel workspace feature is game-changing as it prevents agent collisions and maintains individual task isolation. Install with one command, migrate Chrome data, run tasks naturally. The fastest way to automate with AI agents. This approach eliminates the traditional friction points of web automation while delivering substantial performance improvements. Whether you're doing lead enrichment, web scraping, or complex multi-step workflows, ego-lite provides a superior experience that respects your existing workflow and browser habits. Grab the install command and agent prompts cheat sheet from the description, completely free to use with no hidden costs. The cheat sheet includes all the setup commands, common usage patterns, and troubleshooting tips to get you started quickly. Join the Discord community for real-time support and to share your automation workflows with other users.